Here's some help for number 12. So in this case, like we talked about in our notes today, sometimes you may not be given a triangle. You may just be given side lengths. So in this case, one side is 4, one side is the root of 67, and one side is 9. You're trying to prove, is this a right triangle, an acute triangle, or an obtuse triangle? So let's start with this. Let's start with our basic formula. If it's a right triangle, c squared is going to equal a squared plus b squared. This is given to you in order of length. So we're going to assume that 9 is our longest length. So 9 is going to be our c. And then we have what we have left. So I know that 9 squared, or 9 times 9, is 81. 4 squared, or 4 times 4, gives me 16. And then this, again, is where things get a little tricky, but 67 squared, to undo a square, we square root. To undo a square root, we square. So it cancels out, and we're left with 67. In this case, 81 equals, let me do 16 plus 67 here real quick, is going to equal 83. This isn't true. 81 does not equal 83, so I know it can't be a right triangle. So now I need to decide, is this acute or obtuse? If c squared is smaller than a squared plus b squared, it's acute. If this is larger than a squared plus b squared, then it's obtuse. 81 is less than 83, so number 12 is acute.